Hi, once again this is Kaisar from Rank Ninja. Today I will show you a very useful tricks regarding SEO, that is search engine optimization. The primary stage of a search engine optimization is finding your competitor. If your website has enough content and your website age is more than around 6 months, then you can easily find your competitor using tools like SimilarWeb or SpyFu or SEMrush like this. But if your website is very new, then how will you find your competitor website? Today's video I am going to show you how to find competitor website for your newly started website. It may be a blog website, it may be a business website, it may be any website. One of my client contacted with me for helping him with SEO for this website, that is proplandogfood.com. The website age is less than 30 days. So let's first try to find competitor using the most popular free website, that is SimilarWeb. Alright, now search for a website. Here I am selecting this one, proplandogfood.com. Now navigate to similar sites. Here looks like there is not enough data here. That means this website is very new and SimilarWeb do not recognize this website, so it could not show the competitor website. Let's try another popular tools, that is SpyFu, and copy the link and paste it here, and here you have to put the country. My target country is USA. So click search. See what happened. Here is also there is not enough data. Look here, there is no competitor. So in this situation, how to find competitor of your website? Don't worry, I will show you the free way how to find competitor for your newly started blog website or any website. So this website has a niche, that is dog food or dog related blog. So just make a new tab and open google.com and search using the niche of this website. So here dog blog website is good. Oh my dog blog, it's a blog, and here you will find um, several link of the similar website or similar niche website like this, and that's are the competitor. You have to pick the best one from this Google search engine. Let's um, open this one, top 15 best blogs you should follow in 2024. All right, here uh, this site is looking great. So it is showing not found. Just reform this URL. Look here, but this is a shop actually, but it has a blog section also. But I want a fully blog website. Let's check this one. Yeah, this one is a blog website related to dog. I mean the similar niches of this website. And you will find more website in this way. You have to pick one or two website. After that, copy the URL and paste it to similarweb.com. Here you will get the competitor website and you have to analyze this. Here it will show the global rank, affinity. So from here you can pick anyway. The free account only show 10 competitor, but it is enough I think. But if you want to get more competitor, then you can pick any competitor website link from here. After that, you can just copy this one and edit this one and paste it here. Look here, it is showing at least 5 new competitor website. In this way, you can enlarge the list of your competitor website, and at the same time you will find the competitor website for your newly started blog or website. If you like my video, then click the like button. Also, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. It will really inspire me a lot to create more useful video for you. Also, if you need any help related to SEO, digital marketing or web development, then you can contact with me. You will find my contact details just below in the video description. Thank you.